Hey everybody, welcome back. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make some delicious salsa roja. Very fast, super easy to make, and it's perfect for tacos. Actually, I'm gonna be making another video of some barbacoa tacos. It'll go perfect with that. So you can try it on barbacoa tacos, birria tacos, chile rellenos, whatever you like. Let me show you guys how to make it. These are the ingredients for this salsa. We're gonna need a handful of chile de arbol, 3 garlic cloves, half of a small white onion, 1 can of fire roasted tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of tomato bouillon, and 1 lime. We're gonna start off by frying our chiles de arbol, our white onion, and our 3 garlic cloves. We're gonna do this for about 3 to 4 minutes. Just make sure that they don't burn. They're just supposed to be a little fried. Now that these are nice and fried, we're gonna transfer them to our blender. And don't get rid of the oil because for the very last step, we're gonna use that same oil. We're then gonna add our can of fire roasted tomatoes, our tomato bouillon, and a very little amount of water. And now we're gonna blend it all together. Now that it's finally blended, we're gonna add it to the same oil that we had fried the other spices in. Okay, we added the sauce to the pan and we're gonna bring it to a boil. After that, we're gonna add some lime juice. And it's ready to enjoy. Okay guys, this is how your salsa should look. It smells delicious. This is the consistency that you should have. And honestly, I cannot wait to try it with some tacos. Okay, that's it guys for this time. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, please give us a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new to our channel. And by the way, on the next video, I'm gonna be making some barbacoa tacos that would go perfect with this sauce. So keep an eye out for it. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.